Universal Studios Hollywood has officially announced that they are about to begin construction on a Fast and Furious themed roller coaster. This is the first time that the company has publicly acknowledged the project since we broke the news over 1 year ago. Let's dig into the officially released details from today's announcement, as well as recap some of the rumors and news for the Fast and Furious drifting coaster coming to Universal Studios Hollywood. Universal officially announced the new project on all of their social media channels today, saying, "Buckle up, our new Fast and Furious themed roller coaster is officially under construction." In an official press release, the company said construction will soon begin on its new roller coaster themed to Universal Pictures' blockbuster saga, Fast and Furious. While the announcement was light on details and did not include any images, theme park fans have been aware of this project, known internally as Project 409, for over a year. We first broke the news of a rumored Fast and Furious drifting coaster back on May 1st, 2022. Since then, we've seen permits confirm the concept of a roller coaster that would start on the upper lot, make its way down to the lower lot, and then launch back up. The press release does not explicitly confirm that the attraction will feature a drifting feature, but it does say that it will be equipped with a state-of-the-art ride system uniquely created to engulf guests within the dynamic Fast and Furious universe. And they have said that this new coaster will benefit from the company's decades-long expertise in revolutionizing the development of contemporary roller coasters. While not yet confirmed, the attraction has always been rumored to be manufactured by Intamin. Shortly after our initial reporting, the website Screamscape posted unreleased concept art for this project, which showed the coaster as being called Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. The art may have already been outdated at the time, and as we would later find out, the layout and look of the attraction would change before being finalized this year. As we entered 2023, 2 shows on the upper lot closed to make way for the new attraction. Animal Actors and the Special Effects Show had their last shows on January 8th. The company started demolishing these structures in recent weeks after getting permit approvals from the county. We also saw the theme park testing sound this year, projecting roller coaster sounds and even recorded screams of riders over the hillside from the upper lot. These tests will likely help them design the best methods for muffling sound and limiting its reach in neighboring areas, as well as for movie and television production on the lot. The most recent and probably the most exciting development this year, just last month, ParkFans.net released the proposed track layout for Project 409. Working from a permitted site plan, ParkFans was able to create a possible list of coaster segments, including where the launches may be located, braking areas, and the direction of travel. Within days, we began to see multiple coaster fans posting their prediction videos, including this No Limits 2 recreation from Amusement Insider. This 3D representation of the layout gives us a good idea of what this roller coaster may actually be like. And it seems to really focus on speed, something one would expect from a Fast and Furious ride, finally. The official press release does not confirm any actual details for the upcoming coaster, including where it is being built within the park, when it will open, or even an attraction name. The company does say that the ride will join Universal Studios Hollywood's slate of unprecedented groundbreaking attractions, and that the Fast and Furious films have become the studio's most profitable and longest-running franchise. Many believe the new roller coaster attraction will open in 2025. That's when the next installment of the franchise is currently planned to hit theaters. Universal did not say what this new attraction will mean for the future of Supercharged on the tram tour, but it's possible that that segment could be replaced after the new Actually Fast ride opens. And there's no word yet if Orlando could be getting its own version of a coaster based on the Fast franchise, but Universal Beijing, which was originally set to receive Supercharged as well, but was canceled at the last minute, may be a good candidate to get this one next, if anyone is. Universal Hollywood only recently opened their Super Nintendo World area, but this new roller coaster doesn't appear to be the only project that they're working on. Permits for Project 515 appear to be for a new hotel coming to the property. Expected to be built right in front of the park's iconic arch and conveniently located between the theme park and City Walk, we'll have more information on this hotel as it progresses. That's all for now, but be sure to follow us for more theme park news and rumors, including more new ride announcements a year before they're official. If you like the channel, consider joining our Patreon for exclusive posts, your name in the credits, and more. Patreon.com/themeparkstop. Thanks for watching. See you next time.